Standard this morning. Let's move on and see what we have on the front page of the Daily Nation. 67 MPs to lose seats. 67 MPs to lose seats. This is what is on the front page of the Daily Nation this morning. It's all about the boundaries crisis and an extra 40 units face the axe. An extra 40 units face the axe. That is a story that you want to follow inside the Daily Nation this morning. And it says the current protected constituencies here, Mvita, Galole, Bura. Let me try and expand so that we can read together there. These are the current protected constituencies: Mvita, Galole, Bura, Lamu East, Lamu West, Taveta, Wundanyi, Mwatate, Voi, North Horr, Saku, Laisamis, Isiolo South, Siakago, Kilome. We have Ndaragwa, Tetu, Udhaya, Bukroine, Tangema, Madioya, Samburu East, Marakwet East, Keyo North, Mogotio, Vihiga, Budalangi. These are the protected constituencies. Now, also, we can look at the map of Kenya. These are an extra units, all extra units that are facing the axe ahead of the boundaries review. A member of the House Justice Committee revealed 67 constituencies now risk being scrapped as they do not meet the average population size. And you can follow the story on page 4 and 5 of the Daily Nation. And what does this really portend? With an IBC which is not shaken into place as far as commissioners is concerned, there has been the niggling worry of the Secretariat, and it stifles and stymies their operations as well. Well, how to tame runaway living costs? That is a sidebar story there. The Kenya Institute of Public Policy Research and Analysis, KIPRA, a state think tank, has proposed measures to cushion Kenyans from harsh economic times, including a reduction of value-added tax to make cooking oil cheaper, and the gradual elimination of subsidies to ease the burden on consumers. Also remember, the voice comes in handy for you inside the Daily Nation every Friday. I was sterilized without my consent, and mothered mothers, you can read all about them inside the voice today. And also the Kenya Tea Development Agency, KTDA, will wire the record payout to 600,000 farmers affiliated to its 54 factories from Monday. The improved earnings are attributed to better prices in the international market, bonuses for the farmers, 44 billion shillings, and this is what now they're waiting